If your Hisense Roku TV has image on the screen, but you cannot hear any audio, any sound at all, what should you do? Okay, so the first thing we need to verify, go here, press the home button on the remote control, go down and select settings, then go down and select audio output, and make sure that the audio output is the correct one. So if your TV is not connected to any soundbar or home theater, you want the sound to come out of the speakers, make sure that TV speakers is the one that is with a check mark. If you have connected a soundbar or home theater, make sure your appropriate connection is selected. So over here, did you connect it using HDMI? Usually you need to connect it in HDMI 1 with the EARC label, or using an optical cable. Go ahead and select the right option. If this solved your issue, great. If not, let's continue. So let me go back here. So for this second trick, what you need to do is to, first of all, disconnect all the HDMI cables from the back of your TV. Okay, I had two, but if you had more, go ahead and disconnect them. Then we have to disconnect the TV from the wall outlet. It could be turned on or turned off. This does not matter. So I will just unplug it. Once you unplug it, leave it for at least 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, you're going to go over here, and under your Hisense TV, you should have a button, a power button. Mine is located right over here. Press on it during 30 seconds, even if the TV is completely unplugged. After 30 seconds, release. Do not plug back the HDMI cables yet. Plug back the TV in the wall outlet. If you could, plug it in a wall outlet directly, not in a power bar like I just did. Sometimes these are the issue. Very rarely, very rare, but still I have to point this out. And now it's time to turn on the TV using the power button located under it. Click on it once, it will power the screen. And now it's time to test the audio. Is it working? If yes, great. Now you can go ahead and connect one by one every single HDMI connectors in the back. Connect the first one, check if the audio is still working. Connect the second one, check if you're still having audio. Sometimes it's one of those cables causing the issue. Now hopefully your problem is gone, but what if you still do not have any sound? If you're using a soundbar or home theater, I suggest you go into the settings, then go all the way down where system is, select system, and now go over here and over control other devices. If you're using your soundbar or home theater using HDMI, you should select search for CEC devices and select your devices in this list. This TV is not connected to anything, so this is why we don't see any devices, but usually it should appear here and you should connect. Additionally, if we go back in the audio menu, the one that we were previously, if you go over here, preferred streaming format, you can go ahead and select manually Dolby or select manually DTS. I don't know why, but sometimes by selecting one of these options could make your audio come back. So thanks for watching. I hope my video was useful. If you have other tricks, please type a comment down below. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.